am Shani Doko, and today I want to share my love and concern for the environment. The environment plays an important role in our daily lives, but it is slowly damaged because of pollution, proper waste disposal, and human activities. As a student, I believe that even small action can make a big difference. I show the love for the environment by practicing proper waste segregation, reducing the use of plastics, conserving water, electricity, and keeping my surroundings clean. I can also make sure to throw trash properly and encourage others to do the same. Through this simple action, I contribute to the rehabilitation of the environment and helps protect the nature for the future generation. Protecting the environment starts with us. If we work together or care the nature, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and greener world. Thank you for watching. Let us all be responsible environmental stewards.